Struggling to visualize and sell properties effectively using static 2D maps without interactive location and infrastructure insights? With MAPOG, you can create data-rich 3D interactive maps with detailed information. Go to story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish Map. Then create a new map using the With Template option. Choose Single Location Template. Add your map title and description and create map. Go to Map Settings and upload your company logo for a professional look. Now, search your location in the map by using the toolbox and go to Annotation and choose 3D Model. MAPOG supports GLB, GLTF, and zip formats, making it easy to import realistic building models directly onto the map. After placing the model, use the edit tools to customize the building. You can adjust opacity, scale, altitude, and even rotate the model on X, Y, and Z axis for accurate positioning. Once aligned properly, click Fix View to lock the model onto the map. Next, to create a structured building layer with real-world information attached to it, go to Add manually under Add Location and click on Select Business Location Template Settings icon. Click on New Type to create a new location type that we can reuse in another map. Also, set the name, color, and geometry type as polygon since buildings require area-based boundaries. Then add custom fields like plot name, address, facilities, and more. You can even enable contributor access so teams can update data collaboratively. Click Create Type to save the template. Now select the newly created location type and use the Polygon Draw tool to trace the building footprint directly on the map by adding points on each corner and conforming it. Add detailed information, upload images, and save the building location to create a fully interactive spatial record. To make the map more informative, nearby amenities can also be added. Go to Edit and click Add Nearby Points. Search locations or place them manually and confirm. Add name and assign icons to points as well as calculate distance from location. Refine the viewing experience in Map Settings using BBOX settings to control zoom, pitch, and map rotation. You can even add action buttons with website links and contact details so viewers can directly connect from the map itself. Finally, go to Preview and Share. Set your map to private or public depending on your audience. You can share via link or embed it on websites. And add users and assign roles for collaboration. From real estate showcases to urban infrastructure planning, data-rich 3D interactive maps make it easier to present, explore, and understand spaces with greater clarity and impact. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.